Say hello to OGarden Smart, the future of indoor gardening. OGarden Smart is an indoor gardening system that allows you to grow fresh produce at home. Unlike most indoor gardening systems, OGarden Smart can grow up to 90 fruits and vegetables simultaneously, significantly supplementing your grocery shopping in a way that no other indoor gardening system has done before. And since it's indoors, you never have to worry about the weather affecting what you grow or when you grow it. Get perfect fruits and veggies all year round. OGarden Smart is easy to use. Simply place your seeds and growing cups in the nursery cabinet below. When the seeds sprout, transfer them to the wheel. There, they'll grow large enough to harvest. The rotating wheel keeps your roots moist and can host up to 60 plants, while the nursery cabinet below can hold up to 30 plants, giving you a constant rotation of 30 crops at all times. The automatic low energy consumption LEDs simulate the perfect amount of sunshine, and the automatic watering gives your produce exactly the amount it needs for optimal growth. Growing your produce at home means no pesticides, no herbicides, and no waste. Just incredibly fresh food for you and your family that you can harvest right when you need it. OGarden is clean, bright, beautiful, and the perfect addition to any area of your home. From dinner with your friends to quality time with your family, OGarden is there to provide fresh, delicious produce to you and the ones you love. Through growing our own food, we can educate future generations on sustainable practices and create a real impact in the world. The future of produce is independence and sustainability. We believe OGarden will bring us there. Join us. Back our campaign today and take the next step towards a more sustainable, healthier future.
Tech breaks down, material gets wasted, and it pollutes our environment. So we came up with a solution. Repairable tech made from trash. As our first product, we created the world's first portable speaker made from flexible plastic waste that is widely renowned as non-recyclable by UK councils, and therefore bound to end up dumped in landfill sites or into the ocean. Our story starts in Brighton, where we collect plastic waste from local businesses to seafront and residential properties. After collecting and sorting the plastic, we melt, handcraft and compress the material into marbled sheets that form the basis of the Gomi speaker. As we are always working with new plastic waste streams, it means that every speaker has its own individual colour style. It's not just the outside that's beautiful, it's also the inside. We use the most sustainable material wherever possible, including using 100% recycled jean denim for our sound insulation. Each and every speaker is built to the highest possible quality and will even be hand-signed by their maker before being put together. Understanding that accidents happen and components can break, we are working on a scheme where you can send back any damaged components, and we will do our best to repair, reuse and recycle all the parts of the speaker. Throughout our ongoing design process, we have worked with award-winning sound engineers to ensure that you don't have to compromise on the quality of the product over the environment. The speaker's sound system is suited for both indoor and outdoor environments, beach, city or house party. They are designed to be loud enough to be enjoyed by everyone at an event while still having the quality to play quietly for lone listening. We've realised that people's greatest frustration with tech products today is running out of battery. So we've incorporated a battery large enough to play around 18 hours on just one single charge. Now we need your help to make this a reality. Enjoy listening to some great music while giving a damn about the environment. Let's revolutionise tech by rethinking waste.